I'm Lindsay Jackson, Artistry and Training Lead at Artis. I'm going to show you a few of the many ways you can use the Artis Ovalate brush. The Ovalate brush is one of our larger oval brushes. In the morning when I'm sitting at my vanity and getting ready, I'll start putting on my serum and then my moisturizer, and I love doing all of that with my Ovalate brush. Artis brushes work with any formula, whether you're using liquids, powders, or creams, and it applies and blends makeup beautifully on any skin type. Here are some of my favorite ways to use the Ovalate brush. Simply dot your moisturizer onto the skin and gently glide your brush in circular motions. This ensures that your skincare is evenly distributed thanks to our patented CosmeFibre fiber bundles. They are so densely packed and each fiber tapers to a microscopic tip, so you need a fraction of the product used with a conventional brush. When using your Ovalate, skincare is made easier. And remember, the lighter the touch, the better. With powder bronzer, lightly pass your Ovalate once or twice across the powder compact and gently glide your brush in circular motions on the forehead, cheekbones, across the bridge of the nose, and onto the chin. Powder bronzer is a frequently used product for anyone looking for a sun-kissed look seasonally or year-round. It's also amazing for applying setting powder to the face, whether loose or pressed. With Artis, experience better beauty by design.